All right. So somebody the other day asked me about price action and how to understand it, um, and how to predict which way a stock's going to move. Remember, it's not always a one to one. There are some instances that will trip you up and fool you, um, but it is a good indicator on how to read charts in general. So from what I have learned, I will typically go to the daily or the hourly. I did chart this on the hourly, so if you can go to the hourly here, you can see areas of major resistance and major support. So like here for example, and basically I charted this on the hour, yeah. And if you just take a look at today's chart, you just go to the 5 minutes, right? You can see okay, we come up here and we retest this area of resistance, which was previously so. Yeah, you can literally see if you chart it on an hourly chart. Like here's a great example. Yeah, you have a support here and a resistance here on a previous uh, day from the hourly or daily chart, and it literally stays right in between these two. Yeah, okay, it gaps all the way up, and it was a gap up. It didn't have momentum up. So you see it here, you wait. You're in the middle. You don't know which direction it's going to go, right? But when you see it come down here and it break down here, okay, well it goes all the way down, right, to this next level of support. It comes back up and it tries to test for that level of resistance, but it breaks down. Yep, we come all the way back down to again this line. But you see it break right through, and where does it end up going? Right down to this line. Again, this was not charted on the 5 minutes, so I didn't place this line here for the 5 minutes. I placed it because days ago or even weeks ago, this was a level of support. You can see again, it breaks down through this. You can see it's testing, tries to break back up. And now you get here, this confirmation. This is something that might trip you up though. Here, you see it break through. You can buy here and still sell here. Yeah. But if you're going to hold down here, you end up getting burned. Okay. Well, you see it break through. Would be a good place to cut. But obviously, see it break back down under uh, this support with previous support, now resistance for a second time. Yeah. And you see exactly where it goes is right on this line. Again, we're right at this line. So, who knows? We could be coming back up here, um, or we could be heading down to the next one. If you want to take a look at the hourly again, we can go see where the next one is. It's all the way. I mean, you could place anything that acted as support or an area of demand. So here, for example, I mean, yeah, I don't see too much, right? You mean, I can see 49.22 if we break through this, 494.23 here. And then, after that, really, we could be headed back down to 480 or 44.29. Again, that's the